Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your bonus love messages for February 2021. So, please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Okay. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing my channel, for commenting me beautiful things. I really appreciate that. Have very happy birthday to all my Aquarius who are having a birthday. Okay, so you can let me know in the comment section so that I can wish you personally. And there is an important message, there is an important announcement for you, and the announcement is that I have made my two tarot decks for your twin flame journey that will help you in your twin flame journey basically, and you can purchase them. If you wish to purchase them, then let me know in the comment section. I will let you know how you can purchase them. So the first deck is the twin flame messages. This is a 60 card tarot deck in which you will receive the messages. Okay, these are the messages from your twin flame which will help you out in your twin flame journey if you are doing readings. Okay, this is the back and this is the front. Okay, so this is the back and this is the front of the deck, and this is very beautiful. I love the deck. If you wish to purchase, then you know how to contact me. I will let you know. So beautiful deck. This is the first deck, and the second deck is the twin flame tarot deck in which there are 72 tarot cards. Okay, and these are the cards. I can show you like this. See, so you can have a look on them, and this deck also will help you out in doing your reading. And this is the back of the deck, and I love the deck. I do not know what is your reaction on this deck. You can give me the reaction on the comment section by letting me know how these decks are. Okay, so if you wish to purchase these decks, then let me know in the comment section. So I will let you know how you can purchase them. So let's start your bonus love reading and let's see what are the messages from twin flame. Okay, sorry. What are the messages from the animal spirit oracle deck? Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius all over the world for February 2021. Okay, so the first card for you is Spider Spirit. Make your dreams real, Aquarius. You have to work on your dreams and make your dreams real, and for which you have to work on them. Then there is Otter Spirit. You are never alone. Okay, you are never alone. There is divine, there is universe, there are angels, there are spirits, guides, there are ancestors with you. You are not alone. There is White Raven Spirit. Trust in the magic. Trust in the magic. There is Vulture Spirit. Nothing is wasted. Okay, nothing is wasted. Bobcat Spirit. Life is a mystery. Okay, life is a mystery. There is Parrot Spirit. Watch your words. Okay, take care while you speak these days. You have to watch your words. Do not hurt someone by saying any words which you do not have to say. So watch your words. There is Panther Spirit. Reclaim your power, Aquarius. Reclaim your power. There is Bat Spirit. A rebirth is assured. And there is Koila Spirit. Spirit has a plan for you. Okay, so these are the messages for you from Animal Spirit Oracle deck. Thank you so much, Animal Spirit Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. What is happening? Okay. What are the messages from Moonology deck? Let's see what are the messages from the Moonology deck for my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages? Let me see any other message. No. Bottom of the deck, I'm having a win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. So the first message for you is it's time to take action, Aquarius. The energy is gaining momentum. You need to hold your vision. So hold your vision because the energy is gaining momentum. Okay, you need to do some kind of adjustments. Adjustments are required. So adjustments are required. You just need to do some kind of adjustments. Your commitment is being tested. Here the messages, your commitment is being tested. Then there is a message of it's time to take action. It's new moon in Aries. Okay, right now it's time to take action. A time to give rather than to take. New moon in Virgo. So this is a time to give rather than to take. You need to work through your fears. New moon and Scorpio. Work on your fears, Aquarius. You need to work on your fears. There is an end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn and luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. So whatever tough cycle was going on, there is an end of a tough cycle which is here, and there is luck is on your side. The signs which you can be dealing with is Aries, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn and Sagittarius. These can be signs which you can be dealing with. Aries, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn and Sagittarius. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. See, rebirth message is here again, and from the Animal Spirit also I was having the message of Bat Spirit, rebirth is assured. And in your main reading also there was death and rebirth. So let's see what are the message from Numerology deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Give me the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages? Any other message? Okay. So, you need to follow your dreams, Aquarius. Follow your dreams. Put efforts in following your dreams. Follow your dreams. Okay, follow your dreams. Put efforts in your dreams. There is leadership. There is intuition. So work. You are having intuitions, as you know that you are very intuitive right now. You're getting spiritual awakening is happening. So your intuition is trying to tell you that you need to follow your leadership quality. So put more efforts in your leadership quality. There are some new beginnings Okay, there are some new beginnings in your life. Why there is new beginning? Because there is a karmic completion. Can you see here? There is a 10 and there is 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So the recording reading time was 1000. There is a karmic completion here, and because of that there is a new beginning which is coming for you. Some of you Aquarius, you are having a spiritual career, and there is a spiritual partnership which is coming for you. There is love, and there is love partnership which is coming for you. Okay, there is love and there is love partnership which is coming for you. There are adventure which are coming for you, and there is personal growth which is going to happen for you. Okay, personal growth is coming for you. Beautiful messages from numerology deck, and the numbers which can be important for you are 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2 and 5 can be an important number for you Aquarius. Okay, so these are the messages for you. Beautiful things are coming for you. New beginnings are coming for you in your love life. Love partnership is coming for you. There is spiritual career which is coming for you. So these are the messages. Hold a minute, let me sip a coffee first. And excuse me if you listen voices at the background, because there are kids in my home which are playing out. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from Spellcasting Oracle deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Give me the messages. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Why the brightness? Okay. Okay, any other message? See, again, new beginnings are coming for you Aquarius. New beginnings are here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having new beginnings. Beautiful messages. So you have to set up, you are the inspiration Aquarius. So inspiration is here, then there is boundaries. You need to set up healthy boundaries around you as you're getting more spiritual awakening. Okay, so set up healthy boundaries around you. There is a career which is happening for you. Maybe you are having a life purpose, and so focus on your life purpose and focus on your career. Okay, that is a message for you. Focus on your life purpose and focus on your career. There is a message of, there is a spirit guide which is guiding you for the family. Card is here, 10 of cups. So do not worry, you are not alone. I told you, you do not have to worry at all. There is family, there is spirit guide which are with you. Then there is forgiveness, compassion. Okay, so forgive anyone who has hurt you in the past, and forgive yourself also Aquarius. And there is compassion here. There is friendship, there is happiness, there is protection here. So as I told you, need to set up healthy boundaries around you. Protect your energy, set up healthy boundaries around you. Happiness is coming for you, and there are friendships which are new friendships which are coming for you. Again, the manifestation card is here in the tarot, in this deck too. Today I got around 5 and 6 times magician card for you. So many of you Aquarius are manifesting, so your manifestation is coming true. Beautiful messages for you. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck. you will see milestone is here. So you will cross a milestone, Aquarius. Let's see what are the increase is here. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. New supportive connections are here. As I told you, new friendships are here in this deck too. So you will become, there will be no more new friendships which are coming for you. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Please give me out. Wow. Any other message? I told you and I got it again for you. Okay. Okay. Let me adjust my cards. There is a teacher, there is a professional assistance around you. There are two people around you which will help you out in either in your career, either in your studies, either in your love life, either in any area of your life. But there is a teacher or there is a professional assistance who will help you out. Okay. Why the okay, now it's fine. Okay, so you will receive the honoring path and you will discover the diamond, the pearl from the sea. Can you see how this man holding a diamond, a pearl in the hand from the sea? So you will discover about yourself, Aquarius, that what you deserve, and you deserve the best. As I told you, that you will discover about yourself. Okay, there is a discovery and there is honoring path. Six of Wands energy, success, recognition, victory. People will honor you, basically. Beautiful energy for you, and the energy for you is true love. You will love yourself. You will recognize the true love of loving yourself. Okay, so self love is here and you will recognize that energy, that you have to love yourself first. True love is here. Then there are some events which is going to happen, and there is, see again, the milestone is here. So you will achieve some kind of milestones. Okay, you will cross some kind of milestone in your life. In your consciousness, you know that you deserve best, and this is the present power in which you know that you can, you know, balance your both side, the masculine, the feminine side. You are a balanced person, you deserve it. That's the new thing which you know. There is a cycle of status quo, and the card means that you have to you know, stay remain remain whatever you are doing, keep doing it. Okay, keep doing it. You are moving in a right direction. If you're doing your healing, if you're doing your inner work, keep doing it, and beautiful things are coming your way. Why I am saying that? Because there are some people around you which are their kindred partnership. Kindred partnership is here. Beautiful, and they are the new beginnings for you. A cycle is beginning for you, and the what is the cycle? This is a new beginnings are coming for you. Beautiful. From the both deck, I'm having the new beginnings for you, Aquarius. Okay, so keep moving in a forward direction. See, new happy beginnings are coming for you. I got the sun card today in your today's reading. There were 3 sun cards. Then there is healing light, and there is hidden motivations. So you will find out about someone who is having hidden motivations around yourself. There is someone who is very jealous or envy. They are having hidden motivations. So you will get to know about someone that they are having hidden motivations. Then there is healing light, which is coming for you, and that's beautiful. Healing light is there. So these are the messages from the Quantum Oracle deck. Thank you so much, Quantum Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. What are the messages? Wow. Wow. Aquarius. Wow. You won't believe it. Wow. No, you will believe it once you see that. But wow. Why I'm saying that? I told you that you're getting new beginnings, and I got 3 sun card in your main reading. You can have a look on that video too. In that in that video too, you can have a look on. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm having celebration. There is some kind of celebration which is coming for you, Aquarius. See, again, the intention and the purity, because your intention is pure, Aquarius. You're becoming more pure, and purity is here. You're becoming more wisdom than before, and there is innocence here, and there is hope. You're not losing hope. You're keeping your hope, and you're moving in a forward direction with the innocent nature, like a childlike in behavior. Then there is dream. Okay, there is dream here. So follow your dreams, or the second meaning of this card is that there can be a message in your dreams. So dream is an important message for you. You will find your balance, and for those the message for you is that you need to find your balance. Okay, find your balance. And for other messages, that you are going to get your balance. The change is coming for you. The change is coming for you. And why I was saying wow, kindred spirit, new beginnings, kindred spirit, new beginnings. See, from my both deck, I'm having the same messages. That's why I was saying wow. Okay, new beginnings, kindred spirit, new beginnings, kindred spirit. Okay, beautiful. New beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. In this reading also, I am getting three cards from 3 different tarot decks, that you getting new beginnings. So new beginnings are coming for you for sure. That is for sure. And there is kindred spirit partnership. So there is a partnership which is coming for you, Aquarius. Congratulations. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from self-care card. Let's add some messages from self-care card. One. Yeah. What are the messages? For my lovely Aquarius, give me the messages. What are the messages? The first message for you is gratitude. Say thank you. Experience the joy of acknowledging others. Always have an attitude of gratitude, Aquarius. Then there is revelation. Listen to your life. The right path will reveal itself. Okay, the right path will relieve itself. You just need to listen to the life, to your life. So these are the beautiful messages from your guides. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. What are the messages? Please help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver. You are here for a reason, Aquarius, okay? You are here on this planet Earth for a reason. Never judge another one. Abundance is your right. Death is an illusion. Like attracts like. 1 minute. Okay. Release toxic relationships if you are still carrying on toxic relationships, Aquarius. You need to release them as soon as possible. Just learn from your mistakes and release them as soon as possible. That's the message from your guides, okay? Appreciate your talents and live your bliss, okay? Appreciate your talents. You are full of talents. Appreciate your talents and live your bliss. Abundance is a right, or abundance is your right. You know your truth. You need to know your truth, that abundance is your right, okay? Likes attract likes. Give without expectation and have an attitude of gratitude. See, just now I got the message of gratitude. Have an attitude of gratitude, Aquarius. Likes attract likes. You need to give without any expectations. Never judge another one. You are having a journey within, and death is an illusion. Just death is an illusion. Never judge another one. There is a journey within yourself. You are here for a reason, and there is a journey within yourself. Okay, so these are the messages from your guides. Thank you so much, guides, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages from the universe? What are the messages universe wants to give to my lovely Aquarius? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Those you love you, okay? Then there is forgive. Those who love you, Aquarius, okay? Then there is forgive. Forgive yourself. Forgive anyone who hurt you in the past, okay? So you need to forgive. Then there is turn on your light. Turn on your love light, okay? So you need to turn on your love light. There is keep it simple and yeehaw. All souls use very sparklingly, except of course for I love, thank you, wow, now, and cool. Wow, I love you now, which sounds much better than wow, now, I love you. Sequence is must important. So just keep it simple whatever you're doing it. And there is yeehaw. When it comes to choosing who will be in your life, I recommend valuing their yeehaw qualities above all your others. Special orders don't upset us. Have it your own way, okay? Then there is not a soul on the planet who does not crave your approval, okay? There is not a soul on the planet who does not crave your approval. You are adored, Aquarius. And earlier disappointments were just rehearsal for the great stuff which is coming your way, okay? So the great stuffs are coming your way. The earlier disappointments were just a rehearsal for that. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Let's add some grace cards and close out your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. What is the message for Aquarius? Dance, and the second message is silence. Okay, so dance is the first message for you. When we ask for guidance, take actions and put our faith into our outcome we cannot yet see. We have begun to dance with grace. Okay, then there is silence. Be still, a daily practice of silence bears gifts. I heightened sensitivity to beauty, deep inner peace, and a profound feeling of connectedness to all living things. So, silence and dance is the message from this deck. Thank you so much, Grace Cards, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. This was your bonus love messages for February 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love and light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.